we turn right from here. So effective observation here, okay? So look on your left, right, ahead. Keep looking ahead at the blue car, white car, and another blue car, okay? Keep looking, keep looking. So this junction is like crossroad. So we look all around. So we look on our left, right, ahead, left, right, ahead. Okay, so slowly creep forward. We look for our reference point. Look at the yellow bollard, look at the blue sign. So we stop here. Look on your right, the sign is here, and this is our place to stop. Now we look around, effective observation. We keep looking ahead. Look ahead on your left now. Now turn right. That's fine. Follow the road ahead. Your speed and stop here. That's fine. So look at the red sign. It's saying second signal. So maybe those lights are red or something. So keep looking. Keep it to the left. Turn left. That's fine. Look in your right mirror. So we're merging. Keep on the left. Next roundabout, we are going ahead, second exit. Check your mirrors here. Assess the roundabout from here. Reduce your speed on your approach. Look at the flow marking, follow the flow marking. Reduce your speed, assess, no one's coming, it's fine. So we remain in the lane on the left here. That's fine. Let's go. Keep on your left. You leave the roundabout with mirror checks. Perfect. Now follow the road ahead. Our light is red, so we reduce our speed in good time. Left mirror check here. So we come close to the left and we follow the road ahead. Obstruction on our side, so right mirror check, slowly move to the right. So follow the road ahead, look at the car and now go. It's 20 now, okay? So keep it below 20. 18, 19 is fine. Look at the side road, they're all 20. This is 20 because the school is here, that's why. Follow the road ahead. Speed is still 20, okay? I can see it. Can you see the sign? Yeah, it's there. Look at the floor marking. You need to come to the left with this nice and slow speed. Perfect.